Well, somebody was asking me to describe the literal translations for them terms I put up yesterday for at long last and finally in the end. So I'll go through them now with you. So Sajiru here hal, Nafayeru here hal. Sajiru or Sajiru means in the end, but here and hal is just a kind of a combination. Here means in the west or near the end as well, finally, and hal as well means yonder. So finally, yonder in the west, or late. So basically, finally, in the end. So then you have Inyerun Nadala. Dal is an assembly, an old word like Dal Erin. So that's what that comes from. So Inyerun Nadala means at the end of it all, at the end of the assembly, at the end of the meeting. Then we have another one, Inyerun the Baya. Baya is a match or a contest. So Inyerun the Baya is just another expression at the end of it all, at the end of the contest, when it's all said and done. So this is just all ways of saying it. And then you have another one, Inyerun the Bugadi. Bugadi is movement. So Inyerun the Bugadi when it was all said and done, when it was all finished. So Sajiru here hal, Inyerun the Dala. And you're in the Bugadies, and you're in the Baya. All nice terms that you can use, and you'll find maybe combinations of them as well. So, Sinead.